I'm going to tell you a scary story. I'm currently searching for one of the spookiest films in all of the country. In 1982, a video was being made by a group of kids. While they were filming, however, they were all killed by flying dolphins. While one of the kids was being killed, a dolphin looked straight in his eyes and said, The dolphins were known ghost serial killers. Anyway, the film was then haunted by the spirits of the kids and put on a floppy disk. I am in the house where the supposed disk is placed. After I find it, we will investigate its spookiness level and see what it has. Here we are, guys, in the infamous house, located in the middle of nowhere. That's what it's called. It's middle of nowhere. A lot of clutter around here. It's pretty hard to find any disc. But I feel we might find something back here. A deer. Not really sure.
It is I, the mystical hat of Spook. The disc you are searching for is right behind you.
Piece of garbage was it? Let's see. Oh crap. There's like so many of them. How are we gonna get through all these? This is crap. Oh wait, it's probably the one over there with all the spooky light on it. Well, we got the spooky discs, and while we're still here, I guess we're gonna steal all these. Maybe some of this stuff. Let's see, that's not bad. Let's take all this. We got our thing right here, our spooky ghost computer, and this will play any of these spooky ghost discs like this. You see? Aw, come on. That's just... Nah, we don't need that. We can just put that in here and, there we go. That was a lot of crap. I mean, come on. Although it's like this is crap. This is a bunch of crap. I mean, like it's not even that scary. I mean, come on. All those kids kind of died for nothing. Go back in there.